Hello friend, this time turtle and dove choose to nest outside her window and then this happened. Oh my god, this is eggs and turtle hatching the eggs. Yeah, yeah, almost done and the babies are hatched now. They are happy, they are drinking. Wow, that's good and that's beautiful. Wow, amazing friends. Look at this. They are playing. They are very happy. They are loved by her mom. Wow, the baby birds grew day by day. Amazing spread a small thing for them. They are like family to us. Choose to net outside. Wow, they are taking food and they are relaxing moment.